Alright, you guys, so here's the announcement for who won the giveaway. We have actually 6 entries here. We have Jason, I want to say Jerry, Brendan, Rom Born the Magic, or Rom Bomb the Magic, Arnold, and then Joe. So basically what will happen is, within the description below, you guys will actually see a link I'll leave my email there. Whoever the winner is must reach out to me on my email with confirmation of their YouTube account. So basically, you have to log into the account and you have to go and show you're logged in via the corner over on the side. So that way, then I know for sure it's you, and there's no way to go and mistake that. And then you'll have to send me your address, obviously. And I will let you know whenever I have the shipping label done up, and I will send it to you immediately. So without further ado, you guys, we're going to actually spin this 3 times before the winner is actually selected, because that way then it gives a good spin. I had actually been using this software before on something else, and that was the best way to randomize everything. So let me lower down the volume because I know the volume is going to be loud on this. Where the heck did it take me? Okay. So 1, 2. I have to do it. It's fine, but that's not. So this is 2. Let's see, 3. So the winner has been picked yet. And this the spin that decides it. Yeah, Joe. So Joe, in the description below, you'll see the link or my email address. Make sure that you sit there and make it so that way you can go and see that. Again, I'm sorry that we didn't get I didn't get a chance to do this earlier, or that actually the video didn't format properly earlier because of some personal issues going on. I actually I had hit a deer earlier this week, and the deer sort of tore my vehicle. So I bought another car and whatnot, but I was stressing over for a couple days, so I had to go and change around my work schedule so I could facilitate buying a new vehicle. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the giveaway. I will look forward to doing more giveaways later on this year. Hopefully, I will still be able to have the money to go and get pre-release kits, so that way then I can still do giveaways for you guys. You can always make this a good thing. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget, more giveaways will be in the future. If you didn't win one this time, you still have a chance in the future for another giveaway, especially once we start getting graded cards into this. Then you definitely have chances at all that stuff. So have a great day, you guys, and enjoy every day that you guys have.